Amazon got the replacement blankets shipped out. For those of you who didn't see me unbox the Ektos blankets in the other video, they had sent out the midnight gray color, and I had ordered 2 of the olive drab color. So, just to recap, in that video, I said these are Ektos, got them from Amazon for $28. They're 90% wool, 10% synthetic, premium quality wool, and they are 66 by 90 inches for $28. And I'll put the link in the description below to the little blog page that I just wrote up a little thing about them, and then that gives you a link to Amazon. So here's the deal. This one is for my wife to make me a bushcraft top, and this one is for me to make her a bushcraft top. So that's the challenge. She gets that blanket to make whatever she wants. I've sent her some, in the past, I've talked to her about some anorak or anorak, however you want to pronounce it, do-it-yourself videos. And we got this wool, and I thought it would be a great opportunity to kind of make something for each other and film it. And our anniversary, let's see, we got married in 2003, so our 16-year anniversary is coming up at the end of August. So we're going to, this is going to be our anniversary present to each other. The do-it-yourself bushcraft top challenge. I don't know, but this is the official video where I'm issuing the challenge. So there's a lot of cloth here. What I'm thinking about doing is making like an elven cloak that is open in the front and kind of comes together over the shoulders, and then has like a bigger hood. So I'll have to take measurements from, like, I don't know, the nape of her neck to her heel, and that's how long it will be. But then, because there's plenty of, I mean, this thing is, like I said, this thing is 90 inches long. There's plenty to get a full cloak and hood out of this thing. So what I'm thinking is it will wrap around, well, I see my head's cut off there, that's fine. But, you know, it'll come around her neck, only all the way like this, but it'll kind of cinch at the top, flow all the way down, I don't know, or turn sideways like this. It's gonna like do some clasp right here, and then there'll be this like flowing elf hood is what I'm envisioning. And it actually might not go all the way to her feet, we'll have to see. She actually has some patterns up here in the closet that I'm gonna pull all of this over on me. She has some patterns up here from making the kids' costumes in the past that I may look through for inspiration. So see, she's got some patterns in here, and what is this? See? Costume. Oh, that looks like a I think one of my kids was Doctor Strange one year, and then from this one, this Harry Potter cloak over here, that same kid was Harry Potter one of the years before. Maybe I make her a bushcraft dress. I just make this dress out of a olive drab wool blanket. That would be pretty funny. Let's see, pajama pants. Looks like more pajamas. Well, it looks actually like a lot of pajamas here. Looks like a 1960s dress. I mean, there seems to be no... Oh, that might be cool. I do like a bushcraft skirt out of olive drab wool. Let's see, here's a... No, those are teddy bears. Those are animals. Man, some of these look pretty complicated. Batman cloak. That might be... See that princess in white there? That might be actually what it ends up looking like. I don't know. Oh yeah, you see the princess hood right here in this circle. So anyway, that's my idea. I'm gonna find a simple version of sort of an elfy looking archery cloak and make it out of this blanket. So if you guys have any suggestions, or you want to direct me to some YouTube videos where you've seen somebody else do the same, like I said, I've watched a few. I know I've seen people like fold the blanket in half, find the center point. So I've seen them fold the blanket in half, find the center point, cut out the neck, and then kind of do like a semicircle or an oval looking thing so that it just hangs like this off of you, but kind of in an oval so your arms are free. But I think I want something more elven inspired, and maybe that 66 inches is how long it will be. Maybe I'll make it 66 inches, so as long as the short side of the blanket. And then one of the ideas that I had was to cinch it at the top, or to gather it instead of doing something like having to do some kind of gathering, like fold or stitch or something that makes it come together like that, you know, or even like running a hole through it and having something that gathers it up like that around the top. I was going to maybe just get a piece of 550 cord, and then on this hem just turn this over like that and sew that all along so that that piece of 550 cord is in there, and then when you drape it over your shoulders you use the 550 cord to kind of gather it up like that around your neck. I don't know. We'll see. Alright guys, let me know what you think, and then in the next video I will have a pattern and I will be cutting away on this thing. I'll let my wife shoot a different video to open her blanket and talk about what she's thinking about doing. Alright guys, I'll see you on the ridge.